weight reduction.
Guys, look at this magnificent vehicle. It is a Monday, it is a bank holiday, and although it is a magnificent vehicle, I'm going to push it because it's no engine. Engine's up there, we need some mounts for it. We need some money. We need some money to paint the thing. Oh, looks like my brother's been drawing stuff again. We all know what he's like. Chloe has a delight. She does a good job here. Let's see what else has been written on it. Lots of stuff. Lots of stuff. To be continued. Gap poor, we need to fix that door. But we got no engine. We need some engines. We need some money. So if you guys could all keep hitting that like, keep hitting that subscribe, maybe we'll have some dough to paint it. It's time for that push. Hit that subscribe.
What you doing buying a fancy house? It's so fun.
Right, so possibly. The ball joint is come out, so that's not good. Not a good idea. So one man moves his Honda. A lot easier when there's no engine in them, to be honest with you. That I'd much rather there was the engine in it. I've only doing this crap. See, there we go. It's just like Formula 1 when you crash. Wee ding and you have no steering. Right, so I shall put the suspension arm back in the ball joint and put my grips back on. Back. Right. So there we are. If you've enjoyed that, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, really helps the channel grow, so we really appreciate it. Have a great old day. Thanks for watching. Right, it's been a minute. Let's back up there, so we'll get the range into the ramp of death, but it's not going to stay on there. We're going to keep that ramp free, I think. Make some more money, I think.